We, the team Spartans, students of Madras Institute of Technology, pursuing UG and PG in the field of rubber and plastics technology, have implemented the 5S in the rubber testing laboratory under the guidance of Mr. Sheikh Mohammed and with the full support of a mentor, Mr. R. Vasu, the Senior Vice President of BRICS India. 5S is a workplace organization method which consists of 5 Japanese words: Seiri, Seiton, Seiso, Seiketsu, and Shitsuke. These have been translated as sort, Setin-order, shine, standardize, and sustain. This methodology is used to improve in the areas of working environment, safety, reduction of equipment searching time, and to increase the efficiency. The purpose of the study was to assess the significant changes in performance metrics pre and post implementation of 5S in the laboratory. This is the roadmap for students. They will easily adopt 5S in industries and practice continually in future careers. Sort. Once the problem areas has been identified, the next task was to identify articles, tools, and materials that were either not required at all or were only used occasionally. Another group of items could be the items that were required but were being currently stored in the wrong place. Such items were red tagged, and we have sorted the machines based on their working conditions, and some machines are shifted from old place to new place. Junk articles are thrown away. Set in order. Everything that is needed to process a job should be placed for easy access. The items that were needed were put at their point of use where they would best support their function, and so we have placed the materials, tools, and safety items separately. Numbering and marking are also done. The tools that were arranged or labeled outer for easy use. Shine. 5S states that this phase is not just about shining or cleaning. It is actually a process of collecting data to know the root cause of waste. A large amount of dust and dirt has accumulated behind the testing equipment, and this has to be cleaned. Thus, we have cleaned all the surface of working platforms, all cabinets and drawer surfaces. Dustbins and broomsticks are also placed. Standardization. It was important to communicate the working philosophy to the lab management team. Hence, we have prepared the do's and don'ts standard operating procedure and student entry register, periodical service register, and machine service register. We have also prepared the layout of the lab and displayed the status of 5S in our laboratory. How to sustain? We could sustain this by proper inspection at a certain time interval. We have allotted separate student in charge. These activities should be under the control of student in charge, who is in turn guided by a staff in charge. The results and documents for these activities are also maintained properly by the student in charge. We have created awareness among students about the importance of 5S by explaining our project. Now let us discuss about the benefits of 5S implementation. They are as follows: less waste, that is improved efficiency, reduced space used for storage, improved maintenance, improved quality, improved safety, increased productivity, better and more committed employees, less accidents, less equipment breakdowns or downtimes, and improved results consistency. And the next one is barriers of 5S implementation, and they include lack of top management commitments, financial constraints, lack of awareness of 5S, lack of employee commitment, lack of strategic planning of 5S, resistance to change, lack of cooperation or teamwork, lack of education and training. And finally, we ensure that the above mentioned 4S will be maintained properly. Thank you all. We, the team Spartans,